demand, changing customer needs, preference, and perceptions that reduce demand for your products and services. For example, a cultural shift towards healthier food may negatively impact brands that produce junk foods.
Plan A, sinasabi lang na mas magandang magbenta ng mas mababa pa sa SRP para marami bumili.
Bali lahat na makokolekta ng income is ipang bibili ng new product na mas lalong hihikayat sa mga mamimili. At syempre, pwede ka din kumuha ng katulong mo para mamuhunan sa bagong product na ilalabas mo na more on high quality. Dapat hindi lang maganda sa paningin, dapat mas magagandahan sila kung ano man yung nilalaman ng product, kung ano man yung ilalabas nito.
Post sa mga products mo para mas dumami ang makakilala. Tapos, gumawa ng bagong produkto gamit ang mga masusustansyang ingredients.
Efficiency, low output for a unit of input. For example, a factory that produces 200 units an hour with 1 million in equipment versus a competitor that produces 250 units an hour with 1 million in equipment.
Plan A, demand. If the quality available in your product is better, it is still good for your customers. Kapag maganda yung product mo at nagustuhan ng mga customer, mas magkakaroon ka ng maraming buyer at magiging malago ang negosyo mo. Mas makikilala ng iba yung produkto mo.
Sinasabi dito na mahalaga na may clear tasks and responsibilities para yung team members maglulok beyond in their own individual positions at matututunan nilang i-respect yung kung ano man yung mga na-contribute ng iba. Tsaka pag may sarili kang tasks and responsibilities, hindi mo papakialaman yung iba, alam mo kung paano mag-behave at alam mo kung ano lang yung dapat mong i-accomplish.
Plan C. Efficiency explanation is the process of understanding the needs of the company and making any necessary changes to company goals and objectives.